Hello.
Hello.
I'm Sanjay from WEECE Media.
Thank you.
We are covering exhibitions and conferences, events, etc. And on behalf of WEECE Media, I would like to thank you for giving us your precious time. And could you please just introduce yourself
Yeah,
and your organization?
I'm Ankit Kandhari. I'm Sector Sales Manager for Watson-Marlow in the Life Science Division. Watson-Marlow Fluid Technology Solutions deliver fluid path technology solutions to the customers in life science as well as the biopharma industry across various processes such as upstream, downstream, and fill finish. Whether it is peristaltic pumps widely used in the life science industry, the sinusoidal pumps for handling high viscous products, the Flexicon fill finish systems, and then the WMarchitect single-use fluid path solutions. We cater end-to-end as far as the fluid path technology of the customers are concerned. And regarding Watson-Marlow Fluid Technology, it's a part of Spirex Ergo. We are a UK-based multinational company. We have an office in India and set up in 2012. And we are happy to participate here. Yes. Okay.
What are the products that you're showcasing here, and what are the key products that you are bringing about in this event?
So the products we are showcasing all our products standard what are used in the biopharma industries. As I told you, the pumps, the Flexicon systems, the Biopure assemblies, Aflex Hose assemblies. There has been two new products which we have added to our product portfolio. The first one being advanced Drivesure peristaltic pumps panel mounts, and the second one being WMarchitect single-use solutions. The WMarchitect single-use solutions are basically single-use fluid path solutions, which are a product offering comprising of number one, we can say, is the customized single-use assemblies with open architecture, tubing assemblies, fill finish single-use assemblies, as well as the product validation services. And coming to the advanced Drivesure peristaltic pumps, these are panel mount OEM pumps specifically designed for customers to meet their industrial automation needs in terms of Profinet IP, Ethernet IP, Profinet, network communication integration, as well as the standard analog control from in terms of industrial automation. These are compact panel mount pumps capable to deliver accurate flows and provide process control to the customers.
These are tailor-made, or they are a product in itself?
These are a product in itself, but we know our customers in the life science industry and what they require, and we came out with this new design so that we can integrate with the industrial automation of the customers. So it's a standard product, but it has been custom built according to the requirements of the customers in general.
And where are these pumps, etc., manufactured?
So Watson-Marlow is based manufacturer in UK, but we have the sales offices worldwide in India. So we are based in India. We are based in Pune. We serve customers pan India as well as to the Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, SAARC countries.
Anything you want to communicate to the masses here and to the media people here, so that they get to know about the product, and should they be interested, they can connect with you?
Thanks. We are happy to participate in this exhibition. We are always participating in this exhibition. It gets a good leads and opportunities. And you can connect with us at info.in@wfds.com. Thank you.
Thank you so much for your time. And on behalf of the WEECE Media team, I would like to thank you and your team for giving us a precious time. And we wish each one of you a successful tenure ahead.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.